Hello everyone, welcome to the VIEH job search series. Today we are having the interesting job position for the freshers. Okay, the company is the Wingherry Technologies Private Limited. So if you have the technical expertise in the information security or the good experience or skill in the penetration testing or intrusion technique or attack vectors, also good communication skills. Okay, so you can apply for this particular position. These are the job description. You should have the any undergraduate or any specialization degree, okay, from the passing year 2017 or 18. Job location is the Hyderabad. Okay. So if you have these qualities or the skills, you can submit your updated resume or CV on this particular email address, resume@wingherry.com. Also, you need to fill up the Google form for this particular position. You can find the Google form link in the description box. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment box. Also share this video with your friends, those who are seeking jobs in the cybersecurity field. Okay, thank you for the watching.